Canon M50. Let's go take it for a test run. Come join me. Whoa, what's up, what's good? This is Clifton Ubry, and today I have a new item, the Canon M50 mirrorless camera. I'm trying something out new. I want to see how it works. I usually use cell phones, but this might be my new thing to record with. So people who are looking for a mirrorless or a DSLR camera, this is a little bit of what you can expect out the box. I'm giving a little bit of an example of how it will actually turn out, so here's what you can see. With ample light, the camera does really well, and this is what you can expect. Here we go, we can zoom in a little bit. This is what we can get from the camera. Currently, what you see is footage using the kit lens with the Canon M50. Now, if you get a prime lens and many other lenses that you can find that's capable of being used with this camera, you will actually get some better footage. Right now, I'm using it at 45 millimeters, and we can zoom out and get some footage. Now, right quick, what I want to do is give y'all an example of this camera using an adapter, using a 50 millimeter Canon prime lens, 1.8 aperture, and you'll see some of the clarity that you can get with this lens. Now, I will go into more detail in a later video as to what you can expect with this camera, just by showing a little more how things look. But right now, it's just a quick little look at what you can expect with this camera, the Canon M50. Currently is handheld shots. You can see where the fish are jumping. So just giving a little example of what you can expect. If you're looking for something for YouTube, I think it's a cheap alternative with a price somewhere around about $600. Some cases could be a little bit less or a little bit more. I think this is a really good buy if you're looking to upgrade anything pertaining to your YouTube channel. This is what you can expect and how clear. I definitely thank y'all for tuning in. Catch y'all on the next video. Later.